Welcome back, everyone. We're diving into the best family-friendly, all-inclusive resorts in Cuba for 2025. If you're dreaming of sunshine, stunning beaches, and endless fun for the kids without breaking the bank, this is the guide for you. I've handpicked the top 12 resorts that blend relaxation for parents with non-stop excitement for kids. From water parks to kids clubs and family suites, these spots promise unforgettable memories. Grab a notebook and get ready to plan your ultimate Cuban family adventure. The countdown to your perfect getaway starts now. Number 12 is Paradisus Varadero Resort and Spa, a true family paradise in Varadero, Cuba, where every detail is designed to make your vacation unforgettable. Nestled along one of the most beautiful stretches of beach in the Caribbean, this resort offers a blend of luxury, comfort, and fun for all ages. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel the warm Cuban hospitality and see why families return year after year. The family concierge service is a game changer, taking care of everything from booking exciting activities and excursions to arranging thoughtful touches like bedtime milk and cookies for the kids. They even help with special celebrations, so parents can truly relax and enjoy their time together. The Kids Club is a vibrant adventure zone, packed with daily treasure hunts, creative arts and crafts, and a team of energetic staff who keep little ones entertained, engaged, and safe. There are themed days, outdoor games, and even movie nights, ensuring kids are always having fun. While the kids are busy making new friends, parents can unwind at the luxurious YHI Spa, indulge in a soothing massage, or simply lounge by the serene adults-only pool surrounded by lush tropical gardens. It's the perfect way to recharge and enjoy some well-deserved downtime. The beach here is absolutely breathtaking. Imagine powdery white sand beneath your feet and calm turquoise waters that are ideal for little swimmers and family fun. Whether you're building sandcastles, splashing in the gentle waves, or just soaking up the sun, the memories made here will last a lifetime. Dining is a breeze with generous buffets and a la carte options to suit every palate. There's even a dedicated kids section with all their favorites, so everyone leaves the table happy and satisfied after every meal. It's the attention to detail and thoughtful, family-focused amenities like kid-sized robes, fun welcome gifts, and personalized service that truly make Paradisus Varadero stand out from the rest. For families seeking a blend of relaxation, adventure, and unforgettable moments, Paradisus Varadero Resort and Spa is a perfect start to our list. At number 11, Iberostar Selection Varadero is a water lover's dream. The on-site water park is a hit, and Star Camp offers age-specific activities that blend fun with learning. The entertainment team keeps the energy high with games, dance lessons, and evening shows for all ages. Spacious family rooms with ocean views ensure everyone gets a good night's rest. The international buffet and dessert bar are crowd pleasers. With its water park, kids club, and great food, Iberostar Selection Varadero is a family favorite. Don't miss it. Number 10 takes us to Melia Cayo Coco, a serene escape on Cayo Coco Island. While the main resort is adults only, families can enjoy the neighboring Sol Cayo Coco, sharing many facilities. The calm, shallow waters and white sand beaches are perfect for young kids. Activities focus on nature, think flamingo spotting and sand art. Dining is top-notch with live cooking stations and kid-friendly options. The tranquil setting and natural beauty make this a great pick for families seeking relaxation. It's all about quality time here. Number 9 is Memories Varadero Beach Resort, a lively hub of family fun. The kids' pool area is a true aquatic playground complete with water slides and supervised play. The kids' club and playground offer daily activities, giving parents time to relax. Entertainment is non-stop, with poolside games by day and high-energy shows by night. Dining options abound, from buffets to a la carte restaurants. This resort is all about variety and excitement for every family member, perfect for action-packed holidays. Number 8, Royalton Hicacos Varadero brings luxury to family vacations. The Clubhouse Kids Club and Hangout Teens Lounge offer age-appropriate fun, from creative games to video gaming. Families can try kayaking, paddleboarding, and sailing together. Suites are spacious and comfortable with touches of luxury throughout. Dining is a highlight with multiple a la carte restaurants and exceptional service. It's a premium choice for families who want a touch of sophistication. Royalton Hicacos is a standout for upscale family getaways. Number 7 is Sol Palmeras, a classic family favorite in Varadero. The mini golf course is a hit for all ages, set among lush gardens. Kids love the dedicated buffet section and the Cubamigos Club's packed schedule of games and crafts. The animation team keeps the fun going with beach competitions and mini discos. Choose between hotel rooms or spacious bungalows for a homey feel. Sol Palmares combines classic fun, great food, and non-stop activities. It's easy to see why families return year after year. Number 6. Grand Memories Santa Maria is a splash paradise on Cayo Santa Maria. The on-site water park features slides for all ages, making it a top pick for water-loving families. The Kids Club offers crafts, games, and story time, while parents relax poolside. The entertainment team organizes pool games, beach volleyball, and lively evening shows. The beach is postcard perfect, white sand and calm, clear water. Dining includes a huge buffet and several a la carte options. Grand Memories Santa Maria delivers fun relaxation and a world-class beach, a must for families. Number 5 is Milia Las Dunas, a grand resort with a dedicated family section. The children's pool and playground are safe, fun, and right next to the Kids Club. The animation team leads family Olympics, sandcastle contests, and water polo. Dining is varied with a massive buffet and the famous Ice Cream Boulevard. The resort's layout encourages family bonding and social fun. Milia Las Dunas is perfect for families who want activities and relaxation in one place. It's a top-tier choice for adventure and comfort. Number 4, Iberostar Playa Alameda, charms with its Spanish colonial style and warm atmosphere. The animation team is legendary, running yoga crafts and mini discos for kids. Family rooms are spacious and located in quiet areas for restful nights. The beach is safe with calm, shallow waters and soft sand for sandcastles. The resort is easy to navigate with a friendly, relaxed vibe. The Central Plaza comes alive at night with music and socializing. For its animation team, comfort, and safe beach, Playa Alameda is a top pick. Families love it. Kicking off our top 3, Starfish Cayo Santa Maria is all about value and fun. The Kids Club and Splash Pool keep little ones entertained for hours. Buffets and a la carte restaurants offer plenty of kid-friendly choices. The 24-hour snack bar is a lifesaver for hungry families. The animation team keeps the energy high with games, competitions, and evening shows. The atmosphere is casual, festive, and welcoming. With a stunning beach and unbeatable value, Starfish Cayo Santa Maria is a budget-friendly winner, perfect for families who want fun without the splurge. Our runner-up, Blau Varadero Hotel, is a true icon on the Varadero coastline, instantly recognizable for its striking pyramid-shaped architecture and breathtaking panoramic ocean views that stretch as far as the eye can see. This resort is not just about looks. It's a place where families can truly unwind and make lasting memories together. The hotel's family-friendly spirit shines through in every detail. At the Blaudy Club, kids can dive into themed days and hands-on cooking classes, where they learn to whip up fun dishes and discover new flavors in a lively, interactive setting. There are also engaging marine workshops, sparking curiosity about the ocean and local wildlife. When it's time to rest, families can retreat to spacious suites, many of them 2-level, designed to give everyone plenty of space and privacy. These bright, airy rooms offer a comfortable home base, perfect for relaxing after a day of adventure. Whether you're lounging together or letting the kids play, there's room for everyone to feel at ease. Step outside and you'll find a wide, clean beach with soft sand and gentle waves, ideal for swimming, building sandcastles, or trying out water sports like kayaking and paddleboarding. There's always something fun to do by the sea. Service here is attentive and genuinely warm, with staff going out of their way to make every guest feel welcome. The food is excellent, offering a variety of flavors to please every palate, and the property itself is immaculately maintained, from the lush gardens to the sparkling pools. Attention to detail is everywhere, ensuring a smooth, enjoyable stay. With its unique design, outstanding kids program, and spacious family accommodations, Blau Varadero is a phenomenal choice for families seeking both quality and comfort on their Cuban getaway. And now, our number 1 pick, Be Live Experience Varadero. This resort stands out as the ultimate destination for families looking to create unforgettable memories in Cuba. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted by a warm, welcoming atmosphere and the promise of endless fun for all ages. Be Live Experience. Varadero nails the family vacation formula with its unbeatable location right on the beautiful Varadero beach, modern kids facilities, and a vibrant, joyful atmosphere that makes everyone feel at home. The staff go above and beyond to ensure every family member is smiling, from the youngest to the oldest. The Kids Club is a universe of fun and creativity, offering a safe and exciting space for children to explore. With a colorful playground, a refreshing children's pool, and a variety of creative indoor activities, kids are entertained from morning to night, giving parents a chance to relax and unwind. The animation team keeps the energy high with lively foam parties, engaging pool games, and spectacular professional evening shows featuring dancers, acrobats, and live music. There's always something happening, ensuring that every day is filled with excitement and laughter. When it comes to dining, the resort's buffet is truly impressive, offering a wide variety of dishes, themed nights that celebrate international cuisine, and a 24-hour snack bar to satisfy cravings at any hour. There's something delicious for everyone, no matter your taste. For those seeking a special meal, several a la carte restaurants serve up global flavors in elegant settings, perfect for a memorable family dinner or a romantic evening for parents. With a stunning stretch of sandy beach, sparkling pools, and a spirit that brings families together, Be Live experience. Varadero is a place where bonds are strengthened and memories are made to last a lifetime. It's the complete package, offering fun, relaxation, and adventure for everyone. That's why it's our top choice for 2025. Congratulations to Be Live Experience Varadero for being the ultimate family resort in Cuba. That's our countdown of Cuba's top 12 kid-friendly all-inclusive resorts for 2025. Which resort caught your eye? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. If you visited any of these, let us know your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel guides. Thanks for watching and happy travels. See you in the next video.